Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is on a repair job on a 1959 5.5 horsepower Johnson. This motor was brought to me by Mike from Alabama. He drove 7.5 hours to bring me this motor to work on. It's a father's motor that's been in storage for about 30 or 40 years, and he wants to get it going again. He couldn't find anybody to work on it back in Alabama. Actually brought it to one person who said he'd work on it, and then called him up, told him to come pick it up. It wasn't worth working on. Well, I'm going to show Mike that it is worth working on. I'm going to get this baby running back perfect. So I got it all apart here, and I have rebuilt all the different pieces of it. Okay, Mike said he wanted a tune-up, so I have replaced the points and condensers and the wires. Kept the coils, they look brand new, and they are the good coils, so I kept that. So I did a tune-up on it. I rebuilt the carburetor. In pretty bad shape. I'm not sure exactly what the grit that was in there actually was, but I've rebuilt it. Okay, and he's also wanted to upgrade the fuel line system to the single line, so I took off the 2-line connector. I got the single line connector on there now, so that meant that I have to upgrade the carburetor manifold valves in here to create the pulse. I have a video on how to do that. I've already done that to this power head. Power head checks good on compression, 65. He also wanted the impeller changed, so I've done that. Changed the impeller, changed the gear oil. I pressure tested it and tested it in a bucket for pumping water, and it does. So I've got all the rebuilding done to it. All I got to do is put it back together. So I'm going to do that now, and hopefully I'll put it in the barrel. It'll run. I'll give you a video of that, and then I'll give you a video of it in the bayou for the test run. Well, that's how you rebuild a 1959 5.5 horsepower Johnson. Hope all enjoyed the video. I know I did. See y'all next time. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.